How to hide orders on Amazon. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to any of the web browser and move into the website amazon.com. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Click on this three dot at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on Request Desktop Site. Once it has been opened on desktop site, you need to click on Returns and Orders at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on this page. In the order section, you can see past 3 months. You need to click on it and select the option whichever is suitable for you. I want to see the orders of 2026, so click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it will show you all of the orders that you have ordered on 2026. Right now you can see there is no any orders, which means I haven't ordered anything. But if you have ordered any of the product, then it will be shown to you in this page. And in order for you to hide it, all you gotta do is click on it. And then you'll see the option of archive. Simply click on archive. After that, your orders will be hidden and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.